So si- assignment operators. First is simple assignment operator. Muna siyang x equals 10. Ang simple assignment operator na is kaning equals. Then ay kaduha is add and assign. And add and assign adds the right hand value to the left hand variable and assign the result to the variable. So ano siya? X plus equals 5. And then ang ikatulo is ini subtract and assign. Subtract the right hand value from the left hand variables and assign the result to the variable. So mana x subtract equals 3. Then I the kaupat is multiply and assign. Multiplies the left hand variables by the right hand value and assigns the result to the variable. So mo ni siya is x matawag na siya asterisk equals 2. So mo na siyang kapat. Then the last is divide and assign. Divides the right hand variables by the right hand variable value and assigns the result to the variables. Mo siyang divide and equals 4.